Hello, welcome back to the social channel. And happy Lunar New Year. LOEWE Lunar New Year box. LOEWE in-store program. In-store event. Today we are going to unbox a Lunar New Year box and join me with the in-store event to celebrate the occasion. The in-store event is a woodblock printing workshop. As this is the year of the ox/buffalo, depend on your country of origin, you see the ox image over and over again. We are going to transfer this carved image onto the red paper. Firstly, we will stabilize the woodblock by resting it on wet tissues. Then we brush a layer of gold ink and glue mixture. Red and gold are preferable palettes as they are believed to be auspicious and bring lots of luck and money. Gently place the red paper on the woodblock and then use this coconut fiber thingy to press. Ta-da! Okay, let's open this box. Since I'm not Chinese, so I'm not going to explain the traditions. However, as a Sino country, we Vietnamese do share a lot of custom and traditions. We have a candy sweet wooden box decorated with ox image. I believe this box could have a similar meaning and function. We'll put in sweets such as candy, coconut, ginger, tamarind, and enjoy this with our guests over some convos with warm green tea. Red envelopes to give blessings and good fortune. These packs are decorated with an embossed ox pattern. So subtle. And finally, a pair of red prints with the ox, one with cabbage and one with fish, which I believe these are auspicious fortune symbols in Chinese. Maybe you can tell me in the comment section what this means.